Hello, traders. It's your boy Anu Trades right here, and today I want to talk about something very, very important. I want to talk about how to build discipline in trading, right? And before we dive into this subject, I want you to do something very, very important for me. I want you to please turn on your post notifications to get more updates. I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to share this video, and above all, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Right now, most traders fail not because they have a very bad trading strategy, but because they lack discipline in their trading, and the lack of discipline leads to lack of consistency in your trading. No discipline, no consistency, right? And today I want to just share a thought on how to build discipline in your trading, taking your trading to the next level, right? First things first, as a trader, you need to have a trading plan. And what is a trading plan? A trading plan is a set of established rules and guidelines a trader follow to achieve a desired outcome, right? It's very important. Now, when we talk about a trading plan, we need to understand that you need to build confidence in your trading plan, right? And one of the results of building confidence in your trading plan is by backtesting your strategy. And majority of the time, we backtest our strategy the wrong way. We are consistent in doing the wrong things. So when a trader comes into the market, they like, I've gotten this strategy can do blah blah blah. Now they just go and randomly backtest. When you randomly backtest your strategy, you randomly get results. Random trades leads to random results. So you want to backtest your strategy with the set of rules that you've established for yourself to follow. Why? Because you want to have a desired outcome. You want to see a desired outcome in your trading. Do you get it? So following your trading plan is very important. Following your rule, Dave said that following your rule, respecting your trading plan is respecting your family. Do you get it? So you need to respect, you need to follow your trading plan, you need to be dedicated, you need to be disciplined enough to say, okay, I want to execute everything, every piece of information my trading plan says I should execute in my strategy. And guess what? When you do that, you're profitable. The second thing is controlling your emotions. Now, if you ask yourself, where do FOMO come from? Where do greed come from? Where do revenge really come from? It comes from lack of emotional control. You lack the discipline to control your emotions. And now, where does this lack of discipline come from? Lack of following your trading plan. And where does this also lack of discipline comes from? Lack of confidence in your strategy and lack of confidence in yourself. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So what would backtesting do for us as a trader? Backtesting helps us build confidence in ourselves, build confidence in our strategy. Because when you backtest, you're able to build information, you're able to collect data, set of data, to tell yourself that, okay, even if I miss a trade, even if I lose a trade, I still have my edge. I still have my edge in my favor. At the end of the day, at the end of the month, at the end of the week, I will still come out profitable. Do you get it? So when you lack confidence in yourself, there is no way you have confidence in your trading. So backtesting helps you as a trader build that confidence, so that when you come into the market, tell yourself that, okay, I entered this market today and I lost the trade. Fine. First question, did I execute my trading plan? Yes. If yes, then there's nothing for you to worry about. It is just one of those trade outcomes. And you also need to understand that every trade is random. No trade outcome is based on the previous trade. Just because you took a trade yesterday and you won, does not mean that if you take a trade today, you are going to win. You might end up losing today's trade. So the third most important aspect of building discipline is managing your risk. It is very important. Don't ever bet too much on one position, because all trades are random. So ensure that you use proper risk management. Never risk more than 2% on a given position. Never risk more than 1% on a given position. Don't say, because, okay, I have this winning edge, I want to go in with 5% to 10% risk on an evaluation account. You will end up blowing your account. You'll end up blowing your account. If, for example, I said in the month of January, I wanted to risk 3% per trade, bro, I would have lost my account in a week. In just like 3 trades, I would have lost my account, because The very first 4 trade I took in January was a losing trade. Do you get that? So I would have lost my account. So it's very important to execute. Have a fixed risk you use to take a trade every time. If it's 1%, if it's 0.5%, execute that risk. It helps you build confidence in yourself over time. It is very, very important. Now, the last thing and the most important thing is journaling, tracking and improving your trade. A friend of mine will always say, how you do one thing is how you do all things. It's very important. You want to be able to track all your trade. Ask yourself this question: why did I take this trade? That's what I do. I ensure that I follow my trading plan and I journal my trade effectively. So whenever I'm looking at my chart, whenever I'm looking at my trades, I ask myself, is this trade in line with my strategy? Is it in line with my trading plan? If yes, 100% I'm executing that trade, right? You need to journal, because every day you have to reflect on your trades. You have to reflect on your actions. You have to review your performance. So if you don't journal, you will not know when you're making progress. It is very important. I had a scenario like that in December, when I was telling myself that I'm not doing so well, I lost blah blah blah, I don't know what's going on with my trading. And my friend told me something. He said, go and review your trades. And guess what? In December, I didn't journal effectively. Did you get? And I was like, oh Jesus, how am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? So I had to go back to my history. I was like, why did I even take this trade? What happened? So journaling removes confusion in your life. Do you get it? When you journal, you remove confusion in your life. It is easier for you to review every trade. From January, I journaled. I didn't skip one day. So every day I review my trade. Every week I review my trade. Every month I review my trade. Like, what's going on? Did I break any rule? January, I did not break any rule. 100. So this helps you build confidence. Everything that I just mentioned helps you build confidence. So if this has helped you, please drop a comment. Just drop a comment. What are you struggling with? Drop your thoughts and let's get into this. This is a new year, 2025, and guess what? We're going to do exploits. We're going to do good things. So thank you guys for staying this far for this video.